Hi you guys, welcome back to Bonnie Harms Designs. I'm Bonnie Harms and we're here today. I want to show you a new remodel that we're doing. We've been taking this remodel pretty much room by room and now we're in the entertainment room. This is what it looked like before. So now as you can see, we've really opened up this space here. We have taken out all the cabinetry. We wanted to give it a nice open feel. What we did is we added this lower cabinetry here, which I think looks pretty cool. We're going for that more modern, sleek look. We added this lower cabinetry here, which I think is really nice. And we also lifted it up off of the floor so this cabinetry is suspended. We raised it about 8 inches up off the floor. So when we did that, if you can imagine, when we took away the cabinets, this flooring under here, there was no wood. So we have patched that wood. As if you can notice, if you look in closer, you can see down here the new wood, and you can kind of see the definition where it's a little darker. So now I've got 6 nice cabinets. You open this up and you've got 2 levels here. Make sure, FYI, when you do this, that you measure for your audio equipment. So you got to make sure your cabinet is wide enough so even the little knobs don't hit the doors. Very important. Now all you see right here is the sheetrock, which we had before, right? We put up a little TV mount because we're going to have a TV. It's like a nice 65-inch, so I'm very excited about that. And then over here, I'm thinking about doing some shelving. And then here we've got the tiles, which are all the different selections I chose. I thought about maybe doing like shiplap, but I've decided against that because I'm looking for like more of a modern feel, more of like a fresh, airy feel. So I didn't want to do the shiplap this time. I could have painted it, I could have stained it, but it doesn't go as much with the decor that I've got in here. So we're gonna do like a really cool tile, but I want to do like a nice big tile. So if you'll see over here on my wall, this is a 32 by 32 inch square. So this is literally where you see my lines, that's gonna be the size of the tile. So I think that's gonna look really neat because what we're gonna do is we're gonna butt the ends up to each other so you won't see any seams. So it'll be like a seamless, solid piece of tile wall, accent wall, right? We'll take it all the way up. So we'll take it up in back of this fur down here and it'll be the entire wall, your big TV, and then your shelving. So this is where I need your help. These are the different selections I chose. I've got this one, which is more of like a white tile, which has like a cool urban feel, I feel like. And then this one, well, one of my favorites, I'm not gonna lie. This one's really neat because I like the strokes that it has in it. It has a little bit of brown in it, which I think looks really awesome. And then this one is basically that same tile, but it's just got a little bit more of tans and brown tones in it. This one is another favorite. This is kind of like a concrete look that it has, but it's kind of funny because in this lighting, if you'll notice, it gives it a little bit of a blue hue. So my question is it gonna look blue in here or is it gonna look gray in here? And I want it to look gray. So that's very important that you always bring your tiles, whatever your selections are when you're choosing, into the space that you're doing it in, because that makes it completely different. See how it gives it a little bit of different look? And then last but not least, I really like this one. I think it's cool. It may be a little too dark in conjunction with the flooring. I think if my flooring was lighter, then maybe I'd go with this, but it's still a possibility. Also, keep in mind, this cabinet, we're gonna paint it white, but just envision white cabinet, any one of these tiles, I think they'll all look great. And then one more like this is like a piece of a wood tile. So if you wanted that wood look, kind of like the shiplap, this is the wood look that you could do, which I think is very, very pretty, but it's the tile. So the only thing with this though, is you're gonna see grout lines, and I just don't think that'll look as good. We're going for that nice sleek look. Let me show you one more thing. This one that I was telling you that I liked a lot, look at this picture in the magazine. This is what that looks like up on a fireplace. That's pretty fabulous. But you gotta remember, everything around it is all solid white. This room is not solid white. This room has a little bit of browns in it, a little bit of black. There's a black marble fireplace, gray tones, creams. So we have a lot of colors going on. That's why I feel like maybe something that's a little bit more solid might work. So this is where I need your help. I'm pretty much going with either this one or this tile, because these are the only two that come in that large piece of the 32 by 32. These other tiles and the one on the end, they only come in this size, which means we would see more lines. It wouldn't look so solid and fluid. So my choices are between this one and this gray one right here. So if you will do me the big pleasure, leave your comment below and let me know what you think, because your opinion really matters to me. I would love to know. This is going to be so awesome. I think either way it's going to look great, but I'd love to hear what you think. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like and subscribe below, and stay tuned, because soon this will be done and I can't wait for you to see it. Have a great day.